All right, hello, welcome back, fellow coder, to the next lesson in our FreshVotes series. In the previous one, we had an epic journey of writing, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13-ish lines of code that took almost an hour to write 13 lines of code. Just goes to show that number of lines of code is not a good way to measure whether or not you have been productive in a day. But anyway, we need to now test our code more rigorously. So let's go ahead and open up our workbench, and I'll connect back to my local database. Let that open up. And basically what I want to do here is I want to add more comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add comments to comments. So in other words, I think 5 was the ID, right? So I'm going to have a nested comment inside of a nested comment inside of a nested comment, I believe is the situation that I'm trying to test. Let's fire it up, not have any breakpoints. Let's just see what it looks like when we fire it up. And let's refresh this page. Sorry, I just had lunch, guys, so I'm a little bit less energetic. Okay, so yeah, this is what I was afraid of. The nested comment inside of a nested comment inside of a nested comment is not working. Let me double check the data to make sure I didn't do it incorrectly. So 6, comment ID 5, comment ID 3, 1, 1, yeah. So we should have seen test, wait, no. This is probably a display issue. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to do this for one more level, and then we are going to have to come up with a way to do this better, because this is ridiculous at this point, right? Comment level 3 equals comment level 2 dot comments, and then comment level 3 dot text. So we see 3 levels of comments here. Let me go back and okay, cool. So there is test comment 6, and that does look correct. And if we put, so that's actually a little surprising. I wasn't actually expecting that to work right out of the gate. Test comment 7 with null, so we'll put another one at the root level. Good. And then maybe we will nest a few inside of this one. So 8 will go inside of 7. Hold on. Yes, okay. Just making sure the IDs match up with the number of the comment. So 8 will go inside of 7. Okay. Let me put another one on 2, just because we have, I want to have one comment with 2 nested comments that each have nested comments of their own. So let's nest another one onto 2. Plus I should probably change the dates on all these. Shoot. I guess that's a minor thing. So 2 will be comment 9, and let me change the date to be, I don't know, sometime in September. We'll do September 1st at 10:02. Sure, why not? So nested. Good. Yeah. Let's have another nested one comment inside of number 9. So 9 will be 10. We'll make this 11:02. Oops. Don't save this, but run it. Did I insert number 10? No. Insert 10. Good. Okay. Wow. Okay. Awesome. I wasn't expecting that to work so well. Okay, so that was only 4 minutes of going through and adding. I mean, I think that's a fair amount of testing. I mean, we could always add another 1 to 9 and another 1 to 5 just to see. Let's add another 1 to 9. Oops. Another 1 to 9, and another one to, what did I say? Another 1 to 9, and another 1 to 5. Like so. Another 1 to 5, so another 1 to 9, another 1 to 5. Yes. Yes, perfect. And let's test our sorting mechanism as well. Let's add a test comment 11 before, or add test comment 13 to be part of 9 before number 10. Okay, so test comment 13 will go on to test comment 9, but let's make it before test comment 10. So test comment 10 was 9.1.11.02. Let's do 9.1, I don't know, 02.02, right? Let's see if test comment 13 appears before 10. Okay, so that, to me, means that our sorting mechanism isn't working appropriately, because it should be honoring the time first, the time of the created date. Because 13's created date is 9/1/202. Let me just double check that. Yeah, so 9/1/202 for test comment 13, but then test comment 10 is 9/1/11. So this comment 13 is before comment 10, right? Yeah, so it's not sorting properly. Where can I double check that? So I guess for this video, I'll just do this. I'll check out the sorting mechanism, make sure it's working properly. And then in the next video, what we can do is we can get into probably replicating the recursive scenario, possibly recursive scenario here. Yeah, we'll think about, I'll save my brain power for the next video there. But for this video, I just want to finish up with the ordering and figure out why these guys, the comments without duplicates, why they are not adhering to the ordering, right? So I would imagine, unless we have to do a sort on it, like a collection, or collections dot sort. But even then, we're sorted map, sorted set. So how do we do this? Returns a dynamically type-safe view. Any attempt to insert blah blah blah. Wait, checked sorted set? What does this mean? Returns a dynamically type-safe view of the specified sorted set. So, I wonder if we need to say sorted set here to force it to be a sorted set, and then have this return a sorted set. You know, is that going to be happy? But then comments here. This then needs to be a sorted set, right? And then that means that feature.getComments needs to be a sorted set. Now, I would have assumed because it was instantiated as a tree set, this would work properly, but let me just make this a sorted set and change all these guys to sorted sets. And then where else? Let me terminate. There might be one more area. Comment.getComments. Yes, here's the other one. I was like, I think there's one more place where we need to change stuff up to be a sorted set. Okay, all right. Let's try that out. Wait for it to reboot, sorry. Oops. Sorted collection must define and ordering or... Oh, right. Right. There's a way to do this. So features.comments it's complaining about. Features or feature.comments. There's a way to mark this as sorted. I can't remember the... Okay, sort is hibernate. Sorted is not. Secondary table, supported, blah, blah, blah. Is it sorted? Is that the right... Or no, that's not the right one. Collection... Use sort comparator or sort natural. Maybe it's ordered. Order by? Maybe it's order by. And then you add what you order by, which is in the comment we say what it's ordered by, which is, I think, can I say created date? And then ID? Can I do that? Is that how you do it? I don't think so, but let me just double check that and see if that boots up. No. What's the specific error? Ah, see, it's not complaining about feature.comments anymore. Now it's complaining about comment.comments, which leads me to believe that that is what we did was correct. By adding in the one-to-many mapping, adding the order by, created date, and then ID. See if that boots up. Okay, that's looking a little better. Yeah, it booted up. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, show me the money. Ah, victory. So, yeah, good. 13 appears before 11. Now, does that lead me to believe that we didn't need to do the comparable stuff? Because comment has comparable. I'm curious if this is needed or not. What if I got rid of the implements comparable and I got rid of the compare to method that we had previously written and reboot? Come in here, refresh, and see if it still works, right? Ah. Cannot be cast to comparable. Tree map compare. So let me look at a better view here. So where is this failing? Interesting. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's trying to add something into the tree set, and it's saying, whoa, it's not. We can't add something to a tree set here. It's instantiated as a tree set, but the tree set doesn't have comparable. So, or not the tree set, but the object doesn't have comparable. So yeah, it's upset about that, which makes sense. Okay, so that means that the comment or the code that we had written there for comparable was not in vain. That should be there. It needs to be there in order to work properly. Booted back up, refresh, I'll log in. There you go. So test comment 13 appears before 11. Fantastic. So that means it is indeed referencing the created date first, and then it's using the ID. Okay, cool. So that's good. I'm happy with that. So now the next video, what we're going to do is we are going to hopefully come up with a nice way on the front end to display all of the nested comments, right? Nested upon nested upon nested upon nested, etc., etc. I'm hoping there's an easy way to do that, because I don't, off the top of my head right now, I can't think of a way to create a recursive algorithm for displaying comments with like whatchamacallit, time leaf. We might have to go to JavaScript, in which case we go to JavaScript, we will have to then actually leverage the code that we'd written previously for this comment controller, where we get the comments via an AJAX call. So I'm thinking that's the way we're going to have to do it. So we'll wait until the next video to see what our brains can come up with some Googling as well. All right, sound like a plan? Cool. Take care of yourself. As always, happy learning. And bye for now.